Hi, kindergartners. Today, you guys are going to be able to play the piggy bank subtraction workplace. So today I'm just going to go over how to play again and really show you how our subtraction equations and problems will look like, and some easy strategies to help you with subtraction problems. Okay, so you will play this game by yourself, and there is a workplace site that you will go to, and it will look just like this. So you will get to play online as well. So the first thing you are going to do is spin the number spinner, and I got a 10. So I'm going to place 10 pennies into my numbers to 10 counting mat to help me see my subtraction problems. So this is where your learning target is. I can use objects and equations to represent subtraction. All right, so you have 10 pennies in your tens frame. Now you are going to spin the dot spinner, and that is the amount you will take away from your 10. So now you have 3 that you need to take away. So you are going to count backwards, starting from 10, since you started with 10, and you're going to take away 3. So you have 10, 9, 8, 7. So you started with 10, and you put 3 in your piggy bank. This is your little piggy bank. And you counted backwards, starting at 10, 3 times, and stopped with 7 pennies left on your counting mat. So your equation 10 minus 3 would equal 7. Just a reminder, we are using pennies and a piggy bank because pennies represent 1. So it's just another kind of object to help us represent a subtraction problem. So you will start again, and I'm going to take away all of the pennies in my chart to start over. I'm going to spin the number spinner, and I got 9. So I'm going to put 9 pennies in my numbers to 10 counting mat. Okay, and I'll write that I'm starting with 9. And then I'm going to spin my dot spinner, and I got 1. So I'm going to put 1 into my penny piggy bank and write 1. And I'm actually just going to delete them. So 9 minus 1. So I had 9, and I subtracted 1, so now I have 8. So 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then I will put all my pennies back. And I will spin again. And I have 9 again, so I'm going to put 9 pennies in my chart. And then I will write that I started with 9 pennies. And now I need to spin my dot spinner. And I'm going to take away 3. So I'm going to write 3. So I started with 9. I'm going to count backwards while I take away 3 pennies. So 9, 8. Now I have 8, 7, and 6. Now I have 6 pennies left. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And I will spin one more time. So I have to go back to 9 pennies. I'll write down that I started with 9. Spin my dot spinner. And I got 2, so 9 minus 2. I'm going to count backwards as I take 2 pennies away. So 9, 8, and 7. So now I have 7 pennies left. So remember, our subtraction, you can say, is subtraction minus take away. This is where you are taking away or subtracting an amount. Whereas adding, the plus sign, you will add to it. So we are working on our subtraction. When you're done, you can clear your board and you can play all over again. Your task today is to play this, and I would like you to take a screenshot of your completed page that looks like this and post it onto Seesaw so that I know you played the game. And you will also need your student notebook. On page 31 is 3 problems for you to write down in your notebook. And actually, you don't have to take a screenshot of your game on your computer. I just want you to post a picture of your work in your student notebook of the 3 problems that you write in your student notebook on page 31.